Hi, this is Wilmington City Councilman Darius Brown in the 3rd District. I want to talk to you tonight about the Earned Income Tax Credit Program, the EITC program that is done every year by Nehemiah Gateway Community Development Corporation. I'm asking you, the residents of the 3rd District and residents of the City of Wilmington, to take advantage of this program and visit the Nehemiah Gateway website or visit my website on Wilmington City Council to learn more about the Earned Income Tax Credit Program and how it helps many families here in the City of Wilmington. If you're a household with an earned household income of $50,000 or less, or if you're an individual with an income of $30,000 or less, this tax preparation program is free to you. So I'm asking that you please take advantage of it. If you need further information, you can always contact me in council office at 302-576-2140 or follow me on Twitter at Darius J. Brown. I look forward to seeing you in the 3rd District and throughout our great city here in Wilmington.